Okay, so it's Tony, the Scout Ghost here with a special cameraman today, which is Yap from Pimax. I'm in Pimax headquarters in Shanghai. Pretty happy about that. And I'm trying again the Pimax Crystal Super. Which edition is this one, Yap? Which PPD?
50.
50. So, you remember I tried it at CES and I noticed some problems about the warping of the headset. And I'm happy to say that these problems have almost been solved. So now when I rotate my head, I don't see everything warping around me, which is pretty cool. I'm in the air car demo, which you all know. It's a pretty cool demo, very cyberpunk one, let's say. And it's very detailed city, and the Crystal Super is great for immersion because the resolution is pretty cool, the POV is pretty good, and now that the warping problems have been solved, the visuals are very crisp in the center of vision, and with the big POV, it's very immersive. So pretty cool stuff. If I have to say some little issues I'm having, the headset is not very lightweight. I mean, this is mostly for Sims, so it's to be expected, but if you have to move like that, it's not super comfortable. And I see some aberrations when I look in the periphery of the lenses, not in the middle too. So when I look in the middle, the visuals are really amazing. And what else can I say? I said already about the POV and regarding the 3D, let's say, impression I have of the world around me, it's also pretty good. And yeah, basically these are very quick impression for try it for a few seconds. Also, we were talking before with Yap about the black levels, because even if this is not a micro OLED or whatever, the blacks are not the classical, grayish blacks of the LEDs displays. So it's a bit in the middle between the standard LED and the OLED ones. So it's you can see the black. Like now I'm seeing some skyscrapers in the simulator that kind of look blackish. So that's also a pretty good thing. So I think it's evolving pretty well. I'm always happy to see progress. So it's not I see steps going forward. There are still some little things to fix with the periphery of the lenses. So in some very complicated position, I can see some duplications of stuff, etc. So it's minor things that need to be fixed, but the major things, and they're going pretty good. So happy to be here and try this again. Hope you like this short video, and thanks everyone. Have a good day. Yeah, bye bye.